Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, shares timeless wisdom on growing wealth. Here's a comprehensive guide to effective money management that will set you on the path to financial success. Warren Buffett advises a consistent investment in low-cost index funds, emphasizing perseverance during market fluctuations. Buy and hold through thick and thin ensures long-term growth. Make informed decisions, steer clear of market noise, and prioritize the long game. Boost your financial health with a simple mantra: spend less, earn more, and invest more. This powerful trio creates a surplus that can be channeled into wealth-building opportunities. Cutting unnecessary expenses and exploring additional income streams are crucial steps. Follow the 75-15-10 rule for optimal money allocation. Allocate 75% of your income for spending on necessities and leisure. Dedicate a minimum of 15% to investments, and reserve at least 10% for savings. This model ensures a balanced approach to financial management. Increase your earning potential to amplify your investment capacity. Explore avenues for career advancement, acquire new skills, or consider side hustles. A higher income translates to more significant opportunities for wealth creation. Put your money to work on autopilot by automating your investments. Consistency is key, and automating ensures regular contributions to your investment portfolio. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts, fostering financial discipline effortlessly. Educate yourself on money management by delving into insightful books. Classics like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, and The Creature from Jekyll Island offer invaluable lessons and perspectives. Knowledge is the foundation of financial empowerment. Don't confine your ambitions, upgrade your financial goals regularly. Think bigger, set ambitious targets, and strive for continuous improvement. Goals serve as the roadmap to financial success. Avoid being the proverbial fly in a jar. Break free from self-imposed limitations. Embrace opportunities and adapt to a mindset that transcends boundaries. Upgrade your thinking to match the boundless potential of wealth creation. Evolve your investment strategy by upgrading cash flow-generating assets. Explore diverse investment opportunities that align with your financial goals. From real estate to dividend-paying stocks, seek avenues that enhance your cash flow.